So, good afternoon children, good afternoon everyone. Now we are learning that is 4th class English. So, yesterday which lesson we have learned? That is story. Which story? About whom? That is Ekalavya. So, he is the guru of Dronacharya. Who is the guru of Ekalavya? He is the Dronacharya. So, yesterday we have learned lesson number 14. So, that is great thoughts make a great action. Okay. So, here the lesson number 14 we have been great thoughts make great action. So this is the lesson name. So here we have been learn about Ekalavya, who is a tribal boy. Again I am explaining you once more a little bit because to understand. So after this I will continue Samiti assessment. So for that little bit explanation. Okay. So here the Ekalavya is a tribal boy. Atanu oka tribal boy. తనకు ఏంటి వాళ్ళ మమ్మీ ఒక స్టోరీ చెప్పింది. వాళ్ళ మదర్ షీ హ్యాస్ టోల్డ్ ద స్టోరీ టు హిమ్ అబౌట్ ద గ్రేట్ గురు. సో అబౌట్ ఈస్ గ్రేట్ గురు. సో హౌ ద ద్రోణాచార్య గ్రేట్ గురు అబో ద్రోణాచార్య గురించి చెప్పారు. కౌరవాస్ పాండవాస్ దగ్గర హీ వాజ్ ద గురు. సో హీ టోల్డ్ అబౌట్ హిమ్ ద్రోణాచార్య. సో వెన్ మదర్ టోల్స్ హీ వాజ్ రియల్లీ యాక్ట్. సో తను ఏంది ఫాస్ట్గా హీ హాస్ బీన్ రియాక్ట్ అండ్ వెన్ టు నో అబౌట్ హిమ్. సో తన గురించి తెలుసుకోవడానికి వెళ్ళారు. ఎక్కడికి? టు ద పాండవాస్ అండ్ కౌరవాస్. వేర్ హీ వెంట్ టు ద Hastinapur. So he went to the Hastinapur. So to know about the Guru Dronacharya. So here he went and he was shown. So he went to the Guru Dronacharya. So when he went there, so what the Guru has been told, so what he refused. Tanu em chesa reject chesa to teach him, to taught him about the whatever he is teaching to other people in the king princess. So he was rejected to tell the Ekalavya, to teach the Ekalavya. He was refused. So that through that also తన యొక్క రిఫ్యూజ్ చేసిన వద్దు అని చెప్పిన తన యొక్క చేసే ఒక నేర్పించే ఒక విధానం చూసి జస్ట్ హీ వాస్ చూసి తను అన్నీ నేర్చుకున్నాడు. ఎక్కడ? రిటర్న్ టు హిస్ ట్రైబల్, వెళ్ళిపో అని చెప్పారు కాబట్టి రిటర్న్ టు ద ట్రైబల్. నెక్స్ట్ హీ వెంట్ దేర్ అండ్ హీ వాజ్ ఐడల్ ఆఫ్ అ ద్రోణాచారి. తన యొక్క బొమ్మను పెట్టుకొని తను ఏం చేశాడు? తను స్టార్ట్ చేశాడు. తను ఏమేమి అక్కడ చూశాడు ఇవన్నీ చేశాడు. అప్పుడు వన్ డే వాట్ హ్యాపన్, ద కౌరవాస్ అండ్ పాండవాస్ కేమ్ టు ద ఫారెస్ట్ టు సీ హంట్ చేయడానికి వచ్చారు. సో అది చూసి ఏం చేశారు? ఇక్కడ ఏకలవ్య అని అన్ని ప్రతి ఒక్కటి సూపర్గా చేశాడు. తన యొక్క కత్తి సామెత వాట్ ఎవర్ ద హీ హ్యాస్ బీన్ థాట్ బై అక్కడ చూసినాయి అతను నేర్పించే చూసి ఇతను ప్రతి ఒక్కటి నేర్చుకున్నాడు. ఈవెన్ లైక్ ఏ ప్రిన్ అంటే ఒక కింగ్ లాగా నేర్చుకున్నాడు. సో అక్కడ అది నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత ఏమైంది? సో వన్ డే కౌరవాస్ పాండవాస్ వచ్చారు ఫారెస్ట్కి. సో అక్కడ ఈ ఏకలవ్య అనే తనని చూసి కోప్పడి చూశారు. ఇంత బాగా ఈ యొక్క ట్రైబల్ బాయ్ హీ హాస్ డిడ్ ఆల్ ద సూపర్బ్లీ ఆల్ హీస్ డూయింగ్, హూ ఈజ్ హీ? సో వెంట్ టు హిమ్, అతని దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఎవరు నువ్వు అని అడిగారు. సో మీ గురువు ఎవరు? నీకు ఇంత బాగా ఎవరు నేర్పించారు ఇవన్నీ అని చెప్పాడు. సో నా యొక్క గురువు పేరు ఏం చెప్పారు? ద్రోణాచార్య అని చెప్పారు. అప్పుడు అర్జున్ అడిగాడు అన్నమాట. అర్జున్కి కోపం వచ్చి ద్రోణాచార్యని తీసుకొని వచ్చారు. సో అప్పుడు వాళ్ళ గురువు వచ్చిన తర్వాత తనకి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ తీసుకొని సో అక్కడ ఒక ద్రోణాచార్య ఏం అడిగారు? గురు దక్షిణ అడిగారు. సో ద ఫీ నేను ఇంత బాగా నేర్పించాను కదా, నాలాగా నాకు నీ యొక్క రైట్ థమ్ని కోసిచ్చేసాను చెప్పాడు. జస్ట్ షార్ట్లీ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ ఫర్ యూ, రైట్ థమ్ని కోసిచ్చాను కానీ ఇమీడియట్లీ ఈ డింట్ రిఫ్యూజ్, మీరు ఏది అడిగినా ఇస్తాను గురూజీ అని చెప్పాడు. నెక్స్ట్ తను ఏది తల ఊపకుండా ఇచ్చేస్తా అని చెప్పి వెళ్ళాడు. అడగంగానే తన యొక్క రైట్ థమ్ని కోసిచ్చి గురూజీకి ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు. సో సీ హౌ మచ్ గురువుకి ఎంత మంచి శిష్యుడో చూశారు కదా. హూ ఈజ్ ఈ? ఏకలవ్య. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద లెసన్ అబౌట్ ఏ గ్రేట్ గురు యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ శిష్యుడు. ఇద్దరు ఏకలవ్య అండ్ ద్రోణాచార్య బోత్ ఆర్ ద వెరీ గ్రేట్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఏకలవ్య ద్రోణాచార్య ఆస్ టు ఏకలవ్య హీ హాస్ డిడ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ లెసన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఏకలవ్య అండ్ ద్రోణాచార్య. సో గురు దక్షిణ కింద చేతి ఇచ్చేయమన్నా ఇచ్చేసే అంత మంచి శిష్యుడు ఇతను. So he was very great. So nowadays the Ekalavya counted to great archer in spite of losing his right thumb is still one of the great disciples the world has known him. చూసావా ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు చెప్పాను అంటే అతను ఎంత గొప్పవాడు అంటే మీకు చెప్తాను ఈ లెసన్. సో ఈజ్ అ గ్రేట్, సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్రేట్. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ బీన్ టోల్డ్ ఫర్ యూ. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీఆర్ మూవింగ్ టు ద సమ్మేటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్. సో జస్ట్ సింపుల్ a short form has been explained you. So here matching the columns are there, A, B column here is given. So we have to match. So whatever yesterday we have learned the lesson, so we have to match it. Manam match cheyali, okay na? So we have to match it. A, that is Arjuna, sorry. The second one is Ekalavya, practiced. Sorry, A, B is there, A, this is B, C, Dronachari was Patil, Ekalavya cut. The E one is Dronacharya felt cried. So this is the 1, 2, so Roman numbers 3, 4, 5. So here we have to match to the Arjun what he did. In front of is Guru, idol. Next his right thumb was a Pandava's prince. Towards Arjun and touched by Ekalavya's sacrifice. So these are the 5. So what is Arjuna? He was Pandava's prince. Ekalavya practiced in front of his idol, Guru's idol. Dronacharya was towards Arjuna. Ekalavya cut in his right thumb. Next this is the, as it is Dronacharya front, this is 5th one, and he was touched by Ekalavya's sacrifice. Tane oka heart touching. So these are the column A and B. Next we are moving to the complete the following sentences is here it is there. Bit number 2. So one is question answers, bit number 2 is match the following, bit number 3 is here complete the sentences. A1. So A1 is Ekalavya told to his mother that he wanted to learn Acharya from the great Guru, then he would be able to. So here A1 is kill all ovals and save the harmless animals. After one I will explain you. Just I will first write the answers. And save the harmless animals. B1 is Hastinapur. The C1 is that's Dronacharya would be arriving at his village. The D1 is were surprised. E1 is to be a great archer. So these are the A, B, C here given. So Ekalavya told his mother that he wanted to learn Achari from the great Guru, then he would be able to kill all ovals and save the harmless animals. The Kauravas and Pandavas lived in Hastinapur. Ekalavya was overjoyed when he heard that the Dronacharya would be arriving at his village. When the princess saw Ekalavya feats, they were surprised. Even after losing his right thumb, Ekalavya continued to be a great archer. So these are the 5. Complete the sentences here. So next look at the words, meanings and words as it is. The bit number 4 it is. So I will write here only the words. bit number 4. A, B, C, D, E, F. So here A, B, C, D, E, F are the options. So again I will explain you. Courage, student, lack of pride, were better than anyone else, ability, ask for. So first one is courage, valor, discipline, student, discipline, humility, lack of pride, surpassed, were better than anyone else, skills, ability, sought, asked for. So these are the 6 meanings to the words. Next we are going to the bit number 5. Took in his arm, came near, gather around. So here bit number 5, the first one is embarrassed, second one is approached, the third one is surrounded, so here look in his arm, embarrassed, came near, approached, gather around, surrounded. So these 3 are pick out from the story which means it is as a same. So here we have completed the 5th one. So fun time, hot question, hot activity, this one. Next we are moving to the grammar part. Okay, so this is the grammar part. So here synonyms, antonyms. So synonyms and antonyms he given here the grammar part. Word which have same meaning is known as synonyms. Word which have opposite meaning are called antonyms. Opposite word are antonyms. Same words same meaning are synonyms. So what? Synonyms, antonyms. Strong, big, fur, short, steady, thought. Antonyms: weak, feeble, feeble, happy, cheerful, merry, gay, joyful, unhappy, sad, miserable, good, fine, wonderful, nice, great, superb, bad, unpleasant. So these are the antonyms, opposite words. Synonym, it is the same meaning. So here also I given find out the many synonyms and antonyms. This is your homework. Very easy. So it is a page number 64. You have to find out the homework. You have to write in notebooks. This 5, 1 to 5 bits. 1 to 5 synonyms, antonyms. So here you have to write page number bright, fat, new, soft, slow. Ikkada synonyms, antonyms అనేవి రాయాలి. So next I am going to the correct answers from the option given below. So he is asking to tick the right options. So similar means similar అంటే ఏంటిది? Same like us. So here alike, alike, second one, a truck is a kind of vehicle. The third one is an ant is an insect. Fourth one, tallest is opposite of shortest. So fifth one is something that is quick is fast. You have to tick there, okay. A ladder is most of steps. The sniff is to be smell. To gather is collect. So you have to tick here. మీరు నేను ఇక్కడ alike దగ్గర ఇలా టిక్స్ పెట్టాలి. Here options దగ్గర you have to keep the tick. Alike, vehicle, insect, shortest, fast, steps, smell, collect. You have to keep the ticks. So here he given the again comprehension. My rocket ship. So here rocket ships he given. Again my rocket ship he given. So here once again comprehension is there that we have to do it. So next moving to the page number 66. read the passage and answer the question. In my science class, I learned that I would take almost my entire life to travel to Pluto. Pluto is the dwarf planet in our solar system because it is so far from our sun. That is super cold. I wish I could see the Pluto up close. So here he given the small paragraph. So from this paragraph we have to write. So in the examination also grammar part they will give like that only, like this only. So you have to choose the answers. Okay, you have to choose the answers here and you have to write here. Okay, so now the first one is, what is the name of Earth's moon? So Luna. So the first one is Luna. So I will write the answers here again. So what is the name of Earth's moon? Luna. The first one is D. The first one is D. Luna. Second one is, which of the following is true? You would not be able to jump on the moon. The moon's gravity would allow you to jump high. The earth has less gravity than its moon. No, it is none of these above. It is nothing. So we cannot, nothing is here possible. So none of these. None of the above. The third one is, what is the unique feature of Saturn? It has rings. So D1, it has rings. The fourth one is, what are the asteroids made up of? Rocks. Asteroids are made up of rocks. Why is Pluto very cold? It is far away from the sun. It is far away from our sun. So it is B. D. The sixth one is, which celestial body is the farthest from the sun? Pluto. So once again I will explain you. Which is the unique feature of the Saturn? Its moon. It is lot of water. It is bright pink color. It has ring. It is rings. What are the asteroids made up of? Vitamins, plastic, ice, rocks. The rock is the right option. Why is Pluto very cold? It is too close to our sun. It is far away from our sun. It is outside of our solar system, has no moon. It is far away from our sun. Which celestial body is the farthest from our sun? Luno, Earth, Pluto, Saturn. So it is a Pluto. So these are the right options. This is the last bit of our lesson, that is the greatest thoughts that makes a great action. So this is the last one. So here children, once again I explained you the lesson as well as grammar. So you also take some little bit concentration to the grammar part I given for your homework. That is bit number grammar part lo first bit bright, fat, new, soft, slow. Nenu idi meeku homework ichchanu. So you have to do it. So you must not neglect it. Neglect cheyoddu. You must read it. You must do it. So here I given everyone here comprehension also. Once read it and it is very fun to read. So you are not doing any homeworks, whatever you are giving, not seeing. So but please do this comprehension, my rocket ship, as well as these two you do. So now we have been completed the lesson as well as grammar. So this lesson is very nice. So why? Because it is a Ekalavya story. Okay, Ekalavya story kabatti chala baagundi. So next I'll continue tomorrow the new lesson. So today we have been completed this lesson as well as grammar. So grammar part little bit keep concentration and do it, you will be success. So thank you children. Thank you very much.